It is absolutely a beautiful day out here today. I hope it's beautiful where you are, and I'm pretty sure it must be because you're wondering if this Seauto brand new robot is the right one to clean your pool. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you some things really quick, then we're going to put it in the water, let it do its job. While it's doing that, I'm going to talk to you about some of its key features, and then we're going to pull it out and see how well it did. So let's just go over this new design real quick so that you have a feel for it, and then we'll put it in the water and talk about stuff in more detail. Number one, super key, amazing feature is right here on top. This is all you got to do to get to the waste, garbage, to get to all the junk. It has swept up off the floor and filtered out. Just rinse that out, clean it out, and you are ready to go again. This all just snaps into place, super simple. You can hear it nice and positive like that. When you turn it on, she talks to you. We have a blue indicator light here.
Seauto pool cleaning robot. I'm ready to work. Now it's all cover mode.
Okay, so it tells you what mode it is. It tells you it's got enough power, it's ready to work. It's got new mapping technology, so it should do a great job cleaning the walls, scrubbing the walls, all that kind of stuff. And then when it's done working, it will come to the side of the wall, so it's nice and easy to pull it out, service it, charge it, and put it back in the pool again. Let's put it in the pool so you can see it work, and then let's talk about some of those key features. So I'm going to talk to you about some of its key features, one of which is really important, is its wall climbing. We briefly discussed the suction it has and its ability to climb the walls of the pool and really scrub that water line. This particular unit is designed for pools of 1,600 feet or so. That's about the right size for this unit. As you can see, our pool, we're lucky enough to have a very large pool with really unusual features. Lots of curves, lots of seating areas inside the pool, steps. So we really are suited very well for testing these things out. And I'm going to show you some of those key difficult points, and you're going to see how well this unit does. As we discussed, that 3D Navi technology is really improved. It will run for an hour and a half or so cleaning the pool. It has that audio information where it tells you what mode it is, when it's ready to go. When you turn it off, it's very respectful and nice, says it's done. It is absolutely lightweight, easy to move it around, easy to put in, take out. Comes with a hook that goes on the end of your pole to pull it out when it is done. Here's one of those clips where it finishes scrubbing the water line and then goes back down into the pool. But the particular angle and the light, you can really see all of the debris inside the tank floating around in there that's been cleaned out. Remember I told you it doesn't have a lot of leaves. You can see the leaves floating around there. You can see the sand floating around in there. It's doing a great job scrubbing this pool. So in this clip, this is a super problem spot for these robots sometimes. I have a couple of these stairs and they get themselves sideways and on an angle like this. And this robot did it about 2 or 3 times in my time using it. And every single time you see it figuring it out, getting itself free, gets itself free. It's gonna motor itself back down onto the ground. And then it's gonna go back and do it again, and it's not gonna get stuck the next time around. Here it goes actually up the other side of the pool. That's pretty cool, right? And up on a stair, and then it's gonna come back down, and let's go attack that other problem spot where we got stuck before. Climb that wall, over those stairs. There we go, we're going up. It's actually, the camera comes out of the water as it scrubs the top coping area where the tile is and that kind of stuff. Does a fabulous job, and then it's gonna go back down the stairs and do the floor of the pool a little bit more. Really did very good with the nav, did great with these obstacles and obstructions that get in the way, and oh boy did it scrub that water line. It was really very, very good the way it did that. Going down, here we go. Alright, let's wind this pool scrub fest up and see what we actually have in the debris tank. Here she comes. Kona is very excited. Fished her out there. Let's see what she caught. So she's talking to us. She's ready for a nap and wants to get charged, but let's put her on the table, see what we actually collected. So it's easy to turn her off. Just press the button.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Then we just simply unlatch these two. Take this cover off. Pull this out. Ooh, and we got quite a load in here. I am very impressed with this. Let's just take these two tabs. This cover comes right off. Wow, I'm gonna have to talk to my pool guy. Let me see if I can't get this. Let me take the camera so you could see it. This is all sand and debris. There's a couple leaves, all kinds of other dirt. I'm telling you, the pool guy was here 2 days ago, and what this picked up is either a little disappointing in my pool guy or amazing for the quality of this. Even though it seems like my pool guy has failed, I still have faith in him. I'm gonna say this thing is really sucking up a lot of everything that is down there. I did notice I had turned off the filter so I could get some nice clear video for you guys. And I'm telling you, this thing was scrubbing the walls, and you could like see the material it was scrubbing as it was going. So it was really impressive to see. It did flip itself over once, got stuck once, fixed itself once. My pool here, from what you saw, this is the most unusual shape, crazy sides, a deep end. It did everything that anybody could ask of it. I'm gonna give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This is a really good quality robot. I'm definitely very impressed with it. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.